What up, world? Y'all already know what it do, man. It's your boy, Metro Miguel. Today, we will be talking about the OnePlus Nord N100 Facts processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 460, memory 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes internal storage, micro SD slot, up to 256 gigabytes of memory, fast charging 18 watts, battery 5,000 milliamps per hour, camera triple rear camera system. You heard me right. Main camera 13 megapixels, bokeh 2 megapixels, macro 2 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels, screen size 6.5 full high definition screen, audio dual speakers. Oh, y'all thought I forgot? Up to 37 hours talk time. Yes, sir. Operating system will be Android 10. This is the OnePlus Nord N100 unboxing review brought to you by your boy, Metro Miguel. Let's open this beast. Check this out. Let's get it open. Bow. Here we go, guys. This is the OnePlus Nord N100 with the triple rear camera system. What? Let's go. Suggested full retail price, $179, but we do have promotions for you. Stop by your local Metro by T-Mobile. Start a new account with us today, and you might get it for free. It's going down. This video was brought to you by Unlimited Wireless. We are an authorized dealer partnered with Metro by T-Mobile.